Dryer gets hot, but won't spin a lick. A lady called me one day, mad as heck, and said to me her dryer was cooking the clothes, but they weren't moving, just sitting there, steaming in place. If your dryer heats but don't spin, it's most likely a broken drive belt. Over time, those belts crack, snap, or stretch out. And once that belt's gone, the motor would run, heat is on, but the drum just sits there like a bump on a log. Could also be the motor or the idler pulley seizing up, but 90% of the time, it's just that belt. And listen, this one's simple. Pop the top, pull the drum, replace the belt. Done. But this problem taught me something deep. You can have all the energy in the world, all the fire, but without motion, you're going nowhere. That was me when I first joined Millionaire's Apprentice. I had motivation, I was excited, but I wasn't moving. Soon as I started actually posting every day and driving folks to my Netbook site, that's when the drum started turning. Fire's good, but without spin, you're just heating up nothing.